Well, everyone, iOS 26.2.1 has just officially came out, and I can definitely tell you from the little bit of time, almost like a week now, that we've been using this version of software, there are a couple of things to keep in mind here within this version of a device. Number one, the big thing that we're basically seeing is that within iOS 26.2.1, it is a bug fix security update, but that doesn't mean it is substantially better than iOS 18. I am still seeing a lot of people talking and complaining about iOS 18, iOS 26.2.1, and it's looking like that is kind of an issue going on here. So for me personally, as I'm kind of looking through and looking at a device like an iOS 18 device, especially on iOS 18.7.2 or 18.7.3 if you're able to get it, those types of software versions I think are kind of giving us a better type of experience on iOS 18 than on iOS 26. And even now 26.2.1 is still giving some people some random issues. So all in all, what I'm probably going to tell you is that I would probably recommend staying away from iOS 26.2.1. I just don't think it makes a lot of sense to go through and install it. And I think it makes a lot more sense to go through and install an update like iOS 18 or keep iOS 18 on your iPhone rather than going through and installing iOS 26.2.1. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in this comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.